Okay guys, check me out. I'm actually not wearing my hair back in a somewhat bun, and I actually got dressed today. Today I am gonna run around and I have some stuff to return at Ross. It's just a pair of shoes that didn't fit me, and then I'm probably gonna run to TJ Maxx and to Marshall's. I am picking my son up from his friend's house, so he might want to hang out and drive me around. He does like to do that actually. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I thought I'd take you guys with me again today, and I'll try and be better at filming the things. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Okay, bye. Walking into TJ's. I found these gorgeous floral and solid color purses when we first walked in. They were so adorable, from Aldo, and I thought that I would record those really quickly. There wasn't a whole lot through these aisles here. Nothing that caught my eye really. Just very bland, neutral, and normal, unfortunately. So I kind of skimmed through that area. Same here with the black colored purses. Nothing too extravagant. I was kind of bummed with the selection because they did have a lot in stock, just nothing that caught my eye. And I found these cute little jelly purses like all over town. They were so cute. They're kind of see-through. They were for $19.99. They had quite a few colors. I found them everywhere today that I went. Thought those were cute to keep an eye out for. They must be trending or getting ready to trend because I found a bunch. I loved this cute little purse. It sort of had that jelly texture or look to it as well, but I thought it was a little expensive for $24.99. This little cute heart purse was adorable as well, but also $24.99. And then I found this. I feel like a lot of people have been into these kind of bags lately. This was $60, and I just didn't understand why. And then, yeah, I tried to find some other cute colors. Then we found these earrings that I know a lot of people are into as well. These were about, I think, $9.99. And, yeah, I dropped one. And then there were these cute little stars. I almost grabbed these because my son gave me a necklace for Mother's Day when he was small, and that's what they reminded me of. Here are some hair clips. These ones were really cute. I dropped those as well today. They were $4.99. I just thought they were different. Too small for my hair. My hair wouldn't go in those. Didn't find a great selection of the shirts, I felt, and I apologize because when I'm looking in my camera, like I feel like I'm getting good views of this until I come home and review it again. Like, this was a cute little adorable white top with really cute detail, and then it had a little tie knot at the bottom. I swear in the store I was going really slow. And then there was this blue one as well. Here are a pair of shorts that I did buy. You will see this on the try-on portion later. These looked super comfortable. The material was so soft and stretchy. But I didn't have a need to get them, but I really wanted to. And then here's just a few of what they did have. Not a whole lot in size 14, unfortunately. Then they had these cute little shoes, but even on sale for $20, I thought they were a lot. And here was some of the sandals they had going on. And I thought these white shoes were pretty adorable as well. $20. I don't know that I could walk in them, so I left left them there. I thought these were kind of cute too. They were a little bit of the jelly style for $14.99. And I loved the shoes that they did have. Like, look at how cute these flowers are. They had some in yellow. They had those blowfish ones there. They had these white chunky ones. I loved these. I wanted those so bad. I just didn't have anything to wear them with, and I need to behave myself and not spend money to buy something. I thought these were really cute, nude pink colored shoes as well for $30. And then I kind of just skim through all of the things. And like I said, I think I'm going slow because it looks like it when I'm there in the store. So I still have some learning to do on these. I also saw these cute little sandals. It was so hard to not pick them all up. I thought this was nice. It was a jar of 120 hair ties for, I believe, $9.99. I loved the jar and I liked the idea of that. Then they have these really cute makeup bags. See, again, I swear I think I'm like going slow enough and I'm not. So I do apologize for that. They do have these cute little makeup holders, really cute, on a turn wheel for $7.99. They had pink, gray, and white. Then I really loved these little makeup bags. They were $9.99 for the set of 2. And then they were $5.99 for the 1. And I just thought the selection they had on those were really adorable. Here is our makeup selection here in Denver, Colorado. Not much at all. Nothing that we can brag about whatsoever. It's actually really disappointing when I see, you know, other larger cities and YouTubers doing their shop with me. I get so like sad because I'm like, well, where is all of our makeup? Does it not make it down this far to the, you know, Midwest or mid of the country? That's just me venting there. Yeah, like Stila was the only like real cool thing I found, and it was in a bright red color. So yeah, there's that. I did think that these little makeup holders were super cute. It was hard for me not to pick this up as well. I think it was, yeah, only $6.99. Like, I really wanted these things, but I behaved and I said, no, not today. I did pick up a few things. I loved that rose gold would go good with how I'm remodeling or redecorating. Hey guys, it's time for the try on portion of the vlog. And the only place I got stuff from today was TJ Maxx, so we'll go through these fairly quickly. The first item I got was this really pretty floral dress. And this was from Jessica Simpson. I love her line. I think it's gorgeous. It's a little bit pricey even for TJ Maxx. I feel like $20. I hope I like it. It's got this really cute like stretch waistband that goes, well, around the waist. And I thought it was just really pretty and very boho spring summerish. The only concern that I have is that it may not, I'm hoping that it'll fit me because I am short and I'll probably have to adjust the camera. But yeah, let's try this little baby on. There we go. Alright, here is this dress. It is very flowy and luckily it is long, or how do I want to say it? It is short enough for me. It's very nice and very flowy. I do like this waistline here, and it also has this, it has a little button here that you can button up so that you're not showing too much cleavage or bra or whatever. Here is the back, Now, I'm not sure if I like this style on me per se. I'm gonna have to think about this one and look at it in the review. I do still feel like it's kind of long, and I don't want to look like I'm pregnant just because it's so flowy. And I kind of feel like it's giving me that vibe. But there is still some stretchy room here. So yeah, it's very cute and very comfortable, I must say, and I do like it. I just don't know if it is really my style or not, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, eh? The next item I got were these khaki brown jeans. Now I saw, and you'll see in the video portion, that this brand was like all over the place today, 1822, and these are a size 14. These were $14.99, and here is the brand there. I thought these were really cute, and I think they're an alternative to the Shein ones that I had tried on in one of my videos that's coming up. I liked these, so we'll see. We will see. And then I got two shirts to go with that. So the first shirt I got was just this plain ribbed t-shirt. This one is by this brand here for $9.99. It's just a plain nice t-shirt to have. It'll look super cute and clean and refreshing with those jeans or with those khaki shorts. And the other one was also a white t-shirt, but I really liked this detail here. I hadn't found anything quite like this that I've liked from Shein, so I was really happy to find that. This one is $12.99, and this is from Kim and Cami. And both of these shirts were a large. So we'll try the shorts on and then we'll try both shirts, okay? Okay, hold on. All right, here are these khaki shorts. They fit perfect like a glove. They have just a tad bit of stretch, so they're not gonna give you stomach cramps when you sit down. And the length is very nice on these as well. And here is what the back looks like. Very nice. I am very happy with this pair of shorts. I totally feel like we can go to the flea market, we can do, you know, all of the adulting things and still look somewhat cute and stylish. And then this shirt is humongous. Look at that. It is a size large, which I thought I was pushing it. Here is what the back looks like. It is a very cute shirt. I may, you know, hopefully if I return it, I can find a smaller size. I do like it. It's very comfortable, and it has this really pretty, like, ribbed detail on it. So I do very much like it. But bummer that it doesn't fit. Alright, so the same kind of goes for this shirt. It's, you know what I think happened? I think I shopped in a women's large instead of juniors, and that's why they're so freaking huge. Look at that. But again, it is a very cute top. Man, I wish I would have... You know, it's always hard at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross just because if you don't get it while they're there, they sell out so fast. And as you saw in the walkthrough portion, the shelves were very empty and bare. So this haul was a total loss for me, I feel like. So out of all of the clothing, I'm probably just going to keep these shorts and possibly the dress. So yeah, there's that. The other thing I got was, I thought this was a really cute headband for when I have the messy hair going on. It'll kind of, you know, help deflect that frizziness that I have going on today. And then the other thing that I bought was this Tree Hut Shea Moisturizing Body Wash. Now, this was only $3.99, and it does smell pretty amazing. It's lime and coconut, and Juicy Jazz actually recommended this on her video, so I thought I'd give it a try. I did smell it in the store, and it was very light scented, and it did smell very good, so I thought I'd give it a try because, you know, I get migraines and I'm always like, I wish I could just love these things, and I can't. And I have a black bra on, by the way, so just in case, you know, the camera was making it look weird or whatever. Yeah, I totally do have a bra on, just for the disclaimer, okay? Well, thank you for joining us in this haul, in this vlog. If you wouldn't mind, I'd love it if you want to stay, hang out, be part of the friends and fam bam, and like, comment, subscribe, and join me on Instagram. I would love to have you. All right, have a great rest of your weekend or your week, whatever time you are watching this, and we will see you next time. Bye!